So guys, welcome. I have here my project. My project is all about home automation. In this project, we're going to operate our home appliances using smartphone. And also I have another addition of a PIR sensor whereby it senses the motions of an intruder to your restricted area. So basically this represents rooms. We have sitting room, kitchen, bedroom, security light, bathroom, dining. So here in my circuit I'm using Arduino, which is a microcontroller. I'm using a HM10 Bluetooth receiver and 8 relay channel. So these are my appliances. These are heavy appliances, although it is recommended to use a contactor, but for now I don't have a contactor here that switches the heavy load, high power. So basically to demonstrate what is happening here, this is, so we'll be switching on the lights using smartphone. So to switch on and off these appliances, you just search your Bluetooth receiver, which is HM10. This HM10 can receive signals to a distance of 0 to 100 meters. So you can operate your appliances conveniently at a distance of up to a maximum of 100 meters. So this is how it operates. You search your Bluetooth. You can see this is Bluetooth BT. So you connected serial present. Then after it is connected, now you can start, the magic can start, whereby, so from here you can see this is all on and all off. You have sitting room on, sitting room off. So to power all my appliances, you just press all on and everything is powered. This is my blender heavy load connected to a socket, and we have a load 2, which is a smartphone. You can see it is charging here. So to switch off, you just press all off and everything is off. So to operate each lamp independently and conveniently at your comfort when you seated down somewhere in your house, you can switch on and off in sitting room. So if it is sitting room, just press here, sitting room on, and the magic happens, whereby sitting room is on, then sitting room off, so off, kitchen on, kitchen off. You can see have here balcony. We have this is kitchen on. Sorry, I've double tapped. So this is kitchen on, kitchen off. See, then the other one is bedroom. Bedroom on, already is on, bedroom off, bedroom on, bedroom off. Then this is security light. Security light on, security light off. Then we have bathroom and dining area, and we have the sockets. So since my application can hold up to a maximum of 10 commands, you can see there are 10 commands here. So the addition commands of the other remaining appliances, it depends with the program I have. So for my program here, this is for my program, I've numbered each appliances from here. This is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this socket is 8. The first relay is for expansion. I don't have the appliances to add on there. So in future, if you get another, let's say a pump, you can add here. This is provision for expansion. So to switch on the bathroom, you have to know what you program it to do. So according to my bathroom, it is number 6. So number 6, so you just type here number 6, and it's on. So dining, you use number 7, as you can see, 6, 7, so 7. For other ones, which are the high load sockets, sockets is number 8. Number 8. So, and to power these other appliances, so I had used number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to power on. But to power off, you use now capital letters. But you can change, that will something you decide. This is just for demonstration. So to power off those ones, because number 5 it is A, B, C, D, E. So number E, the same E, just write here like E in capital. E. Just in capital. I think E is for security light. Then F, D, G, D, H, for the high load. So basically that is how it operates. And to switch all on, to switch off, sorry, you can use codes here. You can let's say let us switch all on. Like this. Until we can charging here. So to switch off using letter B, since the fan relay has no load, we will start with B. So 2B. So we switch by B in fact. See, it is powering off. So another one will go to C. Powering off. We go to D. Powering off. Go to E. Go to F. Go to G. Go to H. That is powering off independently if you don't want to use the designated this button. That is how basically it is operating. And on addition on that, the security lights, I said we are using a PIR motion sensor to detect how the switching on and off, so that it can alert you that there is an intruder. So basically how it operates, this is the security light. I have disconnected the signal cable. So let me, that is signal cable for security light. You can see so it's on. So if it is on, it is detecting the motions around this PIR detector. So it is because I'm here, you can see it is, let's adjust this time. Yes, I've adjusted the time. So you can see the switching on and off of security light is in 2 options. You can use smartphone, or it can also go on as the sensor detects movement of any living thing around it. So you can see it is switching on and off. So if I shake around this place, you see it is on, goes off because of timing. But if you can replace the light with an alarm, so when this light, instead of having light on, the alarm will be ringing. So you can adjust time to make it last longer, to signal. So you can see in this case it's taking too long before it goes off. Yeah. So that is all about my project. Yes, if you have this installed at your home, you can operate things very conveniently at your own place. You don't have to look for a switch. You just one touch from your phone, just as you usually chat. You can chat to your lighting. You chat to your lighting. Say my bedroom on, my bedroom off. So the commands will decide if you want to type or to what. You just program according to how you want. Yes. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and that is all about this project. We have other projects on security, but mostly on home automation and electrical and electronics project. So you can get this video at my channel on YouTube at Paul. Also my number is down there if you want it installed at your home. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed the ride.